Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, standard second, semester second book. Yesterday we have completed the question answers and also activity language development, page number 28. Now, second one, we will see the second one. Second one is select one word from each group, join them to make a new compound word, write it next to the correct picture. Write it next to the correct picture. Okay, see here. This is pineapple. Pine. See here, pine. P-I-N-E. How to write? I'll show you. P-I-N-E. Pine. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. That is pineapple. Pineapple. Yes. What is this? Cupboard. C-U-B. C-U-B. Cupboard. Cupboard. B-O-A-R-D. Cupboard. Yes, you can keep the clothes over here. Cupboard. Cupboard. Okay. Then, see here. H-O-U-S-E. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. F-L-Y. Fly. House. Fly. This is first one is pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Then C-C-U-P. Cupboard. Cupboard. C-U-B. B-O-A-R-D. Board. Cupboard. Cupboard. Then this is housefly. H-O-U-S-E. House. F-L-Y. Fly. Then see here. This is the post. This is, see here, post, P-O-S-T, post, post, man, M-A-N, man, right here. Postman, 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 yes. Then, what is this? This is farmhouse, farm, F-A-R-M, farm, F-A-R-M, farm, H-O-U-S-E, house. Are you getting? Yes. H-O-U-S-E, house. F-A-R-M, farm. H-O-U-S-E, house. Pineapple, cupboard. This is cupboard. Housefly. This is housefly. Postman, farmhouse. Farmhouse. Then, this is drum. D-R-U-M, drumstick. S-T-I-C-K, drumstick. D-R-U-M, drumstick. This is honey. See here. Honey, H-O-N-E-Y, honey, B-E-E-B. Honey, B-E-E-B. Honey bee. Honey bee. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. See here. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Sunflower, sunflower. Then gooseberry, gooseberry, gooseberry. G-O-O-S-E. See here. Can you see? G-O-O-S-E, gooseberry. B-E-R-R-Y, berry. Footpath, see here. Foot. Where it is that? F-O-O-T, foot, path. P-A-T-H. And gooseberry, G-O-O-S-E-B-E-R-R-Y, berry, gooseberry. Gooseberry. After that, footpath here. F-O-O-T. F-O-O-T, foot. P-A-T-H, path. Footpath. Drumstick, drumstick. Honeybee, sunflower, gooseberry, footpath, gooseberry, that is amla, gooseberry, amla. Katta katta it will be. Okay. And this is footpath. Footpath. Drumstick, honeybee, sunflower, gooseberry and footpath. Open page number 30. Open page number 30. Third one. What will you need to do the following things? Give 4 examples. 4 examples for each. 4 example for each. What will you need to do the following things? To buy things from the market, you have to give 4 examples. That what you have to do means you have to say what you are doing to buy things from the market, what is required. जब तुम मार्केट जाते हो खरीदने के लिए तो तुम्हें क्या क्या चाहिए वस्तु, क्या क्या चाहिए मुझे बताओ. To buy things from the market, what you require, children? First thing is you required a bag. Yes or no? Bag. Then after bag, what you required again? Bag. Then money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money is required. After that, money. If you have bag, if you have money, you can purchase whatever you want. Yes or no? Vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables and fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. To buy things from the market, yes, A1 is to buy things from the market. We required what? Bag, money, vegetable, fruits. Vegetable, fruits. Have you got? Okay. Now to cook food. To cook food. जब तुम खाना बनाते हो तो क्या क्या सामान लगता है वो तुम्हें लिखना है. Pots. Right here. Pots. P-O-T-S. Pots and A-N-D. And pans. P-A-N-S. Pans. After that, griddle. G-R-I-D-D-L-E. Griddle. Then gas. G-A-S. Gas stove. S-T-O-V-E. Gas stove. Raw food items. Raw food items. Okay, now A1 is over, B1 is over, now C1. To write a letter, what we required? Notepad. N-O-T-E. Note, P-A-D. Pad. First thing is notepad, comma here, envelope. E-N, an envelope. N-A-N, an. A-N, envelope. E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E. An envelope. Again comma. A pen. A postal. P-O-S-T-A-L. Postal stamp. S-T-A-M-P. Stamp. Or writing pad. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing pad. P-A-D. Notepad and writing pad is same. Okay. What we require is notepad, comma, an envelope, comma, a pen, a postal stamp, writing pad. Okay. Have you understood? To write a letter, what things are required? To play cricket. Now, to play cricket. Bat, B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Stumps. S-T-U-M-P-S. Stumps. Then ball is required, and also ground, ground. Yes or no? Here you can give the comma. Bat, stump, comma you can give. Here also comma, here also comma. And ground, full stop. To play cricket, what is required? Bat is required, stumps are required, ball is required, also ground is required. Then only you can play the cricket. Yes or no? Yes. To go out when it is raining. When it is raining, what is required for you? First thing you have to require, that is umbrella. UMBRELLA. Yes or no? Umbrella is required or no? When to go out when it is raining. जब बारिश होती है तो तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? कॉमा, अम्ब्रेला, गम बूट चाहिए. GUM, गम बूट्स, BOOTS, बूट्स, कॉमा, रेन कोट, RAINCOAT, रेन कोट, कॉमा, रेन कैप, RAIN, रेन CAP, कैप. Rain cap is also required. Required or not? Yes. So, what they have asked you in this means, what will you need to the following things? Give 4 example for each. When you go in the market, what is required? Bag is required, money is required. Then only you can purchase, means to buy things from the market. From the market, vegetable, fruits. So, these things are required to buy things from the market. जब हम मार्केट में जाते हैं तब हम क्या क्या खरीदते हैं? To cook food, what is required? Pots and pans, griddle gas, store raw food items. Food items. Then, to write a letter, notepad is required, an envelope is required, a pen, a postal stamp or writing pad. Okay, you are getting now? Are you understanding or not? To play cricket, bat is required, stumps are required, ball is required, ground is required. To go out when it is raining, when it starts raining outside, what is required for you? Umbrella is required, gumboots is required, raincoat and rain cap. Raincoat and rain cap. Topi. Yes? You can see no all the pictures from here. See the pictures at this side and the answers are written. Can you understand these answers or no? Okay. Have you followed? Have you followed? Okay. Now page number 30 is over. Spelling skill. Narrate any story in the class. You narrate any story in the class. You narrate any one story. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you children.